Well, hey everybody, thanks for stopping by the homestead. This week's project is a new bookshelf. So I don't know about y'all, but I found I need to get my workspace in order, and this bookshelf really helped out. Now, like most projects, I figured I could probably build it cheaper and actually fit better in the space I wanted to use it for, cheaper than a store-bought thing. Now, this bookshelf doesn't have any metal fasteners. It's all put together with just wood and glue and good joinery. Well, in a lot of ways, it'd actually be easy to build with a nicer, higher grade wood, like oak, even cedar, or even a good quality pine. But the costs sure are high right now. I just couldn't bring myself to spend that much money. I think I'm all in on this $50, maybe $60. How I did that was just using framing 2x4s and sanded plywood. And I think the results came out pretty well. So while I was building this, I got a little concerned there in the middle about how strong this is actually going to be. You might notice that the legs and the supports are all pretty narrow. Not much wood there. Once I got it all glued up and put together, I mean, the thing locked into place, and it's very sturdy at this point. Alright, well, enough chit chat. Let's get to the shop and I'll show you how I did it. We'll start by cleaning up our 2x4s, cleaning up the edges, then cutting them down the middle. Once they're the shape, we need to cut our 3 main components. There's 4 legs, and for the 5 shelves, there's 10 long pieces and 10 short sides. Now we need to work on the cutout for the plywood. I'm using 1/2 inch plywood here, but you cut the depth you need for yours. Line up the table saw and get to cutting. All 20 components are going to need this. Now we need to work on cutting so the pieces fit together. The short sides are going to have the outsides cut off, while the longs will have the inside cut off. Here at the end I'll show you how it fits together with the plywood in it. You can use this with hand tools, but I often find the table saw makes it much quicker. Notice I clamped a piece of wood to my fence. That way, when I'm cutting, it's not stuck between the fence and the saw blade. Next, I'll rip the plywood down. And then cross cut it to length. Here you can see how the shelf pieces fit together. The legs will fit right in there snugly, locking it all in place. Alright y'all, once everything gets cleaned up, it's time to start assembling it. It's going to all be held together with the joinery and the glue. If I had more clamps, I'd do more than 2 shelves at a time, but such is life. My least favorite part about the whole project is always sanding, but this can only make or break a project. I try to take my time, Get everything as smooth and lined up as possible. Well, let's put some lipstick on this pig. This, I'm using the Danish oil with walnut coloring. Gonna really make the grains pop. Alright y'all, well as always, let me know what you think about it, what you like about it, what you dislike about it. What would you do differently? I always enjoy hearing from you. Well till next time, y'all come back now.